You live with your family?
Yeah. Wait, let me ask you, Walid. You mentioned earlier that you have Filipino friends. I am asking if you met them only virtually or in person.
Only we meet here.
Is she kind?
Yeah, she is very kind and very friendly, but her ID is, I think, blocked. That's why we can't. She is very friendly. We are a good friend, but suddenly her ID is blocked. That's why we can't contact now.
Maybe you did something wrong to her. That's why she blocked you.
Not block, her ID is suspend. I have a question for you. What is the reason why every Filipino girls are very beautiful and attractive? What is the reason behind?
Attractive and beautiful.
Yeah, every girl.
I don't know. Maybe we have a unique genes from other foreign people.
Or your
Like that.
weather maybe. Your country weather is. But Filipino is a very hot country, I think.
Very hot country.
Yeah. Your country weather is very hot.
Because we are hot. Yes, we are hot. We are hot. Are you from Pakistan or what? What country?
Already told you, I'm from Bangladesh.
You know what? I have a friend from Bangladesh also. He's like 20, engineering student. We met in Instagram. Then we became friends. Yeah. Since 2020. And until now we're talking. Like a friend, like a brother and sister.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
What's his name? Your friend who is from Bangladesh.
His name is Nippon.
Where is in Bangladesh? You know the location name?
No, I didn't ask him. Or maybe I forgot it already. Maybe he told me when I can remember rather.
Everyone wear a t-shirt and half pant in your country?
T-shirt.
Yeah,
Not all.
but so many.
Yeah.
And you are very comfortable with t-shirt?
T-shirt. Of course, we can move freely.
Do you like traveling?
Yes. I love traveling. I love beaches.
You love beaches. So how many places you already visited?
How many places I can count? Also told that he loves you.
No,
Also is a lady boy.
love you.
No, we're friends. A
Really?
friend can't love.
You want to go with her in Thailand?
Of course, no.
But she said here, I will bring her to Thailand this December.
I don't have passport yet. Book yesterday, and my appointment will be on November 29. So by December, no, me and my sister have planned to travel to, I think, Hong Kong, Vietnam by 2025. So,
What's your favorite country to traveling?
oh, I love to go to Japan.
Why Japan is your
You
favorite?
know,
What is your big attraction in Japan?
what is your main attraction in Japan?
Main attraction means and you like what is the in Japan?
Walid, can we be friends?
Yeah, sure.
Can we be friends, Walid?
Yes,
I like talking to you.
me too.
I'm enjoying talking to you. I'm sleepy and I have to sleep since I have work tomorrow. I will wake up by 7 a.m.
Really? You wake up 7?
Yeah. I have a multiple earrings. Can you see it, Walid?
Yeah.
One,
One is very beautiful.
2, 3. Yeah.
Can I see?
Walid.
How many? 4. Oh.
Yeah. I have 4 holes in my ears.
Only 1 year or 2 years? Other years have?
The other ears is 3.
Oh, same earring.
Yeah. It should be parallel.
You have
Hello,
necklace?
I have, but I'm not wearing it right now.
Yeah, I can see now.